In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to manage your projects effectively in just 5 minutes. Asana is a versatile project management tool that helps keep your projects organized and on track. Whether you're managing a small team or a sizable project, Asana makes it easy to keep everyone aligned and focused. Let's start by heading over to the Asana website. You can do this by entering www.asana.com into your web browser. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry. You can easily sign up by clicking Get Started or Try for free. It's quick and straightforward to set up your account. Once you're in, the first step is to create a new project. You'll notice a plus button on your dashboard, or you can go directly to the project section, click on it, and you'll be prompted to create a new project. You have options here. You can choose a template that suits the nature of your project, or if you prefer, you can start from scratch. This flexibility allows you to tailor your project setup to your specific needs. After you've selected your project setup method, it's time to set the project's name, description, and privacy settings. Giving a clear and descriptive name to your project will help you keep things organized and make it identifiable at a glance. For the description, provide any important information or objectives so that your team members have a clear understanding from the start. And don't forget about the privacy settings. Decide who can view and edit the project to maintain information security. Next, let's add tasks and subtasks, which is at the heart of project management in Asana. Within your project, simply click Add Task to start creating tasks. Assign these tasks to specific team members to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. Setting due dates and priority levels can keep your team on track and focus on the most pressing tasks. If you come across tasks that are more complex, break them down into subtasks. This will make them more manageable and provide a clear structure for execution. To stay organized, make use of Asana's different views, designed to help you visually manage your project. The list view displays tasks in a structured to-do list format. If you prefer a more visual representation, the board view is a Kanban-style board to visualize progress. The timeline view is excellent for scheduling and tracking deadlines, showing you how tasks overlap. Lastly, the calendar view gives you an overview of deadlines and schedules, making it easier to manage your time. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Asana for your project success. Remember, staying organized and communicating effectively with your team are key components to project management. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.